Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice math Olympiad algebra problem. So here we have this is nice algebraic expression 4 divides 2 over 4 divides a times 2 is equals to what? We write this algebraic expression into the simplified form. So here first we write this expression into the one line form, and we get 4 times of 2, and this is divided by 4 divides 8 times of 2 is equals to what? So we write our given expression in this form, and now we use the nice PEMDAS rule to solve this problem. And you very well know about the PEMDAS rule. So here you know about that. P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponent, M stands for multiplication, and D for division, A stands for addition, and S for subtraction. So here you know about that. The first priority we give to solve the operation is the parentheses, and you know about that multiplication and division has equal priority. Likewise, addition and subtraction also have the equal priority. So here first we need to solve these parentheses here, and now you here you see that 4 divides 2 becomes here 2 divided by, here we write this 4 divides 8 into the fraction form, and we write it as 4 over 8 times of 2. And now further in the next step we have here you see that we just cancelled these terms, and we obtain 2 times 4 becomes here 8, and further we get 2 divides 4 divided by 4. So this 4 and this 4 are gone, and we obtain here 2 divides 1. So 2 divides 1 becomes here 2 only. So 2 be the our final answer of this question. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.